Welcome to another Ballet For All tutorials. I'm Yelena, and today we're going to be talking about how to improve your pirouettes and dehors from fifth position. And make sure that you stick around until the end, where I'm going to give you one tip that for sure is going to change the way you see and you do pirouettes from any position, either en dehors or under that. Let's master passes with relevé, but this time we don't have a bar. What we're going to focus is on creating muscle memory, creating that action between leg and arm, close together, and again. One more time, close together. Once you make sure that you master transferring your body weight, that your body is remembering the closing and opening of the arms with the leg, then we're going to pass to step 2. We're going to only do quarters of a turns at a time. So we're going to do 4 turns in total. 1, 2, 3, and 4, finishing back in. And we're going to do a plie stretch in between. You're going to do a quarter of a turn, with control, close in front of you, and a stretch. And repeat again. 1, plie, and a stretch. You have 4 opportunities here to start mastering that transfer of weight, coordination of the leg, of the arms. Yep. Then we're going to go to step number 3. You're going to start doing half of a turn. So don't really worry much about it. We're going to do half of a turn, close behind you. You're going to do a détourné. We end up again with right leg in front. Demi-plie, fifth position. And we're going to use half of a turn, close behind you, détourné, demi-plie. And we're going to repeat that as many times as you need. Half of a turn, close behind you, détourné, plie. One more time. Remember that we hold it. Stay as long as you can. And then détourné with accent up. You did step number 3, half of a turn. Now you're ready to do a full pirouette. And you're going to focus on pushing your right shoulder, right hip, right knee back, and close with control. And because you stay until the end, I'm going to give you that tip that you're waiting for. So apart from holding that passé, what about thinking that that knee is going to touch your ear? So think about that knee going up, with accent, with dynamic. Keep the knee as higher as you can as you do that passé. If you think of holding and bringing that knee up, you're never gonna go down from that passé. Always remember, pirouette is a simple passé in relevé with balance that turns around. Yeah, I hope that this video helped you. If it did so, let me know in the comments below. And if you have any question, any suggestion, always let me know in the comments. I will see you in my next video.